If you look up passion in a dictionary, it will be defined as something that you're strongly interested in and enjoy. So when you pursue your passion, you'll not only like where you end up, but enjoy the journey along the way. Who am I, you may ask? I'm Bjorn, well, this lunatic, an automotive enthusiast trying to educate and entertain others and create a positive impact. I'm not perfect, but I learn from my mistakes that will make me stronger to become the better version of myself. I'm a very dedicated person as well, to the extent that the preparation to what I should be doing takes up more time and energy than the act itself, which is why this intro is so long. So let's just pick up the pace and get this video going. And then I can take it out. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sun is shining, it's great weather. Alright guys, so that's it for today. So you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Channel Bjorn, which is linked down below.